Whoop, hey camera, I just heard the train, yep. Whoop, hey camera, so the train coming from Churchill is gonna be pulling in, is gonna be arriving, yep. Train coming from Churchill and heading to Winnipeg, yep. I just heard it from the paper mill, yep, I just heard it from the mill. So it should be coming around the bend over there pretty soon, yep. In about I would say in about 5-10 minutes, something like that. 5 minutes maybe, or less than 10 minutes maybe. Yep, train coming from Churchill and heading to Winnipeg, but it's gonna be pulling into here. Yep. And it doesn't pull out until 3:15 in the morning. Yep, 3:15 a.m. in the morning. That one I can't go to. Yep. But maybe in the future though, in future videos. Yep. Yep, so today it is Friday, November the 14th, 2025. Yep, and the time it is 10:43 p.m. Yep, 10:43 p.m. on a Friday night. Yep. And also the puck train pulled out today too, left today as well. And it'll be coming back tomorrow, pulling in tomorrow on Saturday. Yep. The puck train. Yeah, it got cancelled yesterday on Thursday, so instead they pulled out today. And it's gonna be pulling in tomorrow. Yep, it's supposed to be pulling in this evening, but instead it's gonna be pulling in tomorrow evening. Yep. Tomorrow on Saturday evening, Saturday night. Yep. Saturday evening tomorrow. Yep. So yeah, I'll be back on filming once it comes around the bend over there. Whoa, hey camera, it's this pulling in now. Yep, it's this gonna go over the bridge now. Yep, it's this pulling in. So the time now it is 10:48 p.m. Yep, the last time I said the time was 10:43 p.m. Yep, that wasn't long. That wasn't too long. Yep. So yeah, I'll be back on filming once it comes through. right now we're north of the Paul, Manitoba, Canada, the PAS, Manitoba. So today it is Friday, November the 3rd. Nope, it's not the 13th. So today it is Friday, November the 14th, 2025, 2025. Yep, train pulling in from Churchill, and it's gonna be pulling out going to Winnipeg later on tonight, like about 3:15 in the morning. Yep. So the time right now it is 10:56 p.m. It is almost 11 o'clock. It is almost 11 p.m. Yep. Train has arrived here at the Paul via rail station. Yep. The puck train just took off today. Yep. Train number 6428 and 6421. Yep. Man, this dump train is still here. That came in a couple of weeks ago or last month at some point. Yep. There's the train yard over there. Train number 6428 and 6421. Puck train's not here, it'll be back tomorrow. Yep. 8132. $56.49. I wonder when they'll be taking these two coaches again. Yep. 8144. Via Rail Canada. So the time now it is 11:02 p.m. Yup. So yeah, I'll be back on filming once they go reverse and go forward. Whoop, there goes that train. They're gonna park up for a few hours. They're not gonna be pulling out until 3:15 in the morning. Yup, 15 minutes after 3 a.m. Yup. So the time now it is 11:30 p.m. Yup, 11:30 p.m. at night, a Friday night. Yup, it's gonna be half an hour until midnight. Yup, 12 a.m. Yup, 11:30 p.m. sharp. So yeah, man, they stopped there for a while. Yup. So yeah, skip the video now. See you in the next one. Peace. The guy that likes trains out.